you guys doing in my pantry? The show's about to start. Come on, let's go over here. Welcome back everyone to Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making, Ray, what are we making? Oh, yum! Chicken and smashed potato salad. Okay, so we have 800 grams of baby potatoes here. So we're just gonna boil it until it's soft. And now we wait. Okay guys, I've put the baby potatoes in a baking tray and I'm gonna pour some olive oil over the top. And we'll place this in the oven for 30 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, while the potatoes are baking, I'm gonna start off with 500 grams of chicken breast and fry them off. Okay, the potatoes are ready to be smashed and seasoned. So I'm going to season it with pepper and some sea salt. And I'm going to drizzle some more olive oil on it. So I'm going to put that back in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay guys, the chicken is now ready. I'm going to cut them up into small bite-sized pieces. Okay, so everything's ready now. The potatoes are out of the oven. The chicken's all cooked. We've got the greens and the onions here. So I'm going to plate it up now. So we've got some mixed greens, green leaves, got some red onions, and we got the baked smashed potatoes. And some chicken breast. Lean chicken breast. And now we're going to add some ranch dressing. And here is our chicken and smashed potato salad. Enjoy! Oh, what? You guys are in my fridge. I hope you guys aren't cold. We hope you liked our episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our page. See you guys next time.